Welcome to my channel. Take and Make kit is given out by my library on a first come first serve basis. In this video, we'll be seeing what's there inside this Take and Make kit and also be doing all the projects that's given inside by following all the instructions. Do join me along in the video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's see what's inside. So there's some instruction sheet, terracotta pot, polyfill stuffing, okay, two colored felt sheets, a straw and a pin, and then a square paper, some dough, okay, and then yarn. So let's begin. We'll start with the first experiment that we have. I'll just remove these from here. They have given us 3 instructions for 3 different experiments and DIYs. So garden pinwheels, salt of fossil, and then the felt cactus craft. I'm going to start with this one first. So I'm very new to sewing and then I'm not sure how I'm going to do it. So let's read the instructions and then go ahead with that. Okay, find your cactus template and then choose one design and then cut it out. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 different designs. So choose either the one and then do it, cut it. So which one do you think I should use? I'll use this one. And then fold your felt piece into half and then place the paper template on the top. Holding the template on the top of the felt, cut it around the template so that you have 2 pieces in the same shape. Now thread your needle with some of your embroidery floss. Tie a knot at the end of the floss. Begin sewing your 2 frills together on one edge of each other. Make sure to leave the bottom of the cork tags open. Do not sew it yet. So this is how it's gonna look. So we just have to do some fillings inside. So for now, I'm gonna put some potpourris. The next activity that they had in this take and make cake was the garden pinwheel. So paper, straw, pushpin, scissors, pencil, and a roller. So we have all the materials that we need. So let's dive into the instructions. Using a ruler, mark the center of the square paper with a pen. Use a scissor to cut down the diagonal lines that you just marked on your paper. Fold every other point into the center dot and with the push pin through the paper. This step is tricky because the points like to escape if you're not holding them tight, so patience is the key. Hold the push pin with the gathered points in one hand tightly and use the other hand to push the remaining pin through the straw. Okay, push the push pin through the straw. Use a bit of masking tape. The next one that we have is the salt dough fossil. For this, they've given us, I think, the salt. I can see the salt here. Salt and the dough, both mixed. So we'll be needing cup and an interesting leaf, shaped leaves or flowers or even dried ones. But then now it's just spring is getting started here, so I don't have any leaves or flowers. So maybe I'll do this particular DIY or experiment when I have leaves around or when I have some leaves. So for now, let's keep it for some other time.